I'm back again. Sorry, I didn't keep up with those videos, did I? I said I was going to, with all good intentions, and life got in the way and fun got in the way. But I did get the XJR up and running, rebuilt all the carbs, got one of those carb rebuild kits, got that all done. I've never touched carbs before and it worked out really well. Fired up, carbs all balanced. Yeah, got it MOT'd and a few hundred miles on it, and then I'm changing it again. Just can't help myself. Didn't like the 401 exhaust. I like symmetry, so I've got a new Delcovic system ready to go on there. Cans are obviously got two of them. I've already removed the decibel killers. What I had to do though, we're under here, that bracket there had been removed from the other bike, from where it had the 41 system. This bracket here. So I've got a replacement one off XJR parts. Oh, this is filthy, that state of it. Got a new one off XJR parts, freshly powder coated and everything, so nice and clean. Then I realised I'm missing all the other bits and pieces. So I'm waiting on two bungs. There's a little sleeve and a bolt which holds the collector to that bracket, stop it from sort of bouncing around, gives it a little bit more support in the centre as well. So that should be through in a couple of days, hopefully. And then I think I'm going to take the whole bike apart again. Some of the aluminium was a bit, although we cleaned it up the best we can, it was just a little bit older looking. I've been mucking about with this. The kids got me a polishing kit for Father's Day. There's one that I've done earlier. Nice and shiny, not brilliant. You see a few imperfections there. I think I need more prep work than what I'm actually doing. Let's see, fine line scratches there. So doing a bit more polishing. I am going to do a paint job myself. I know it's only September, but I mean that scratch there, big. You see that there? Big gouges and dents and chips like that. I know it's only September and I'm going to miss out on some decent bike weather, but I am going to take it apart. I want to do a full paint job. I'm going to have a go at doing it myself. It's not going to be brilliant, but I think it's going to look a little bit cleaner than it is. I'm going to go for a candy painter, not black. I always said I don't want a black bike. Then I had the black Breakout and the black Sportster, and now I ended up with this, which is also fucking black, and it's just such a pig to fucking keep clean. The slightest little bit of dust is just horrendous. So I've been collecting up parts. I just spotted that's the link pipes for the sides. Collecting up parts, so I think in a couple of weeks I'm gonna, maybe even in a week, I know there's a bike show next weekend, and if no one's going to it, none of my mates, instead of going on my own, I'm probably going to sit in the garage and take this apart. The reason I want to do it now is the weather. Obviously doing it in the garage myself, I need it to be a little bit warm. It doesn't get too bad in it when it's middle of winter, but I can't be doing paint in the freezing cold over the winter. We don't know what the winter's going to be like this year. Fucking hell, we barely had a summer. So while it's warmish, I want to get the paint done. I'm going to put all the main colours on, and then a mate of mine is going to do the clear coat for me, because he can lay it on with an air gun nice and thick. So we've got plenty of material there to sort of flat it back, polish it up. So there's going to be a lot more polishing. The swing arm is going to come out, and that's going to go off to a good mate of mine who is way better at polishing than me. Something like a swing arm, you're going to fucking notice that a mile away, so I want that to be a bit more of a sort of professional job. So we'll get that done. I have started stripping the paint off of the rear wheel. Those of you who have done this job, you know what a horrible fucking task it is. Yamaha leaves like a really liney sort of finish on there, so I need to sort of sand all that back before I can even think about starting to attack it with the mops. And then I'll master the polishing up and paint all the centres. Well, yeah, polish the top yoke, paint job. Choke still doesn't work. It's a bitch to start. It's properly seized up, but the XJR parts do the little choke slider mechanisms, little brand new brass inserts. I think they're about £15 each, or something, so 60 quid. I'll take the carbs off, redo that. I've got my old system on eBay at the moment, if that sells for a decent amount. And put new brake lines on because they're a bit old and scummy looking, but if I get enough left over, then I'm going to look at doing a stage 3 with ram air filters. Trying to think what else I've got. I've got a collection of stuff building up. Nice titanium sprocket nuts for the back wheel, titanium chain adjusters, a few other bits and pieces that I'm slowly collecting. I've got a seat cover that I've got to staple up myself, so that'd be a fun little video. So yeah, I just thought I'd do an update. It's awesome to ride. It's so comfy, even just standard seats, not a comfort seat or anything. So comfy. The poor Sportster is sat under its cover right there. It really doesn't get much use now. I knew this would happen. I end up going to a Jap bike, and I just remember how bloody awesome they are. So yeah, hopefully over the weekend I can get this exhaust system on. It's meant to be decent weather, so hopefully take it out for a bit of a run on Saturday, and then probably next weekend take it apart. So subscribe to this, because I'm going to start going through sort of like doing the whole bike up and stripping it down, paint job, polishing, all that sort of stuff. In the meantime, I've got some polishing to do, which I won't bore you with, but sat down while I was machining at work and just sort of flattened it off. After seeing how the other one came out, I reckon I should have flattened it off a little bit more, but there you go. You know, it's the first time I've done polishing. There's a lot of firsts on this bike, so it's a little bit of a learning curve for me, because some of the stuff I've never done before. So yeah, hit those subscribe buttons and you'll see the evolution, and I will do it like a weekly video or something, just because I can work in the afternoons before I go to work. So I will do a weekly video with sort of everything coming apart. So I'll let you get off, and I'm gonna crack on and get this other footrest hanger polished and get them mounted on the bike, ready for when the exhaust parts come, and I can have the full Delcovic 402 system up and running. I'll do a quick little video once it's up, and anyway, alright.